If you have a 2011 to 2014 Ford F150 with a 3.7 liter engine, your truck relies entirely on its engine control module to stay on the road. The ECM is responsible for controlling critical engine functions, and because it's such an essential part of your vehicle, when it fails, it can cause major performance problems and safety issues. In this video, we're going to walk you through the common symptoms of a failed ECM and tell you how we can help you get back up and running quickly. The most common symptoms of a failed Ford F-150 ECM include severe engine misfires, rough idling, and a loss of power. When you hook up a diagnostic scanner to your truck, you will typically pull some specific trouble codes. For ignition coil circuit failures, look for codes P0351 through P0356. Unfortunately, sourcing a brand new replacement module from the dealership can prove to be an incredibly expensive task. Used parts can also be a gamble, as they are either already faulty or close to the end of their life. They lack upgrades to the original factory weaknesses, meaning that even if you find one, it is prone to failing again down the road. Because of this, we offer an affordable repair service to remanufacture your original module completely. At Circuit Board Medics, our rebuild targets the root cause of the failures. We address all known failure points of the module, completely restoring and upgrading it with high-quality components to function better than new. Our service fully preserves your original programming and configurations. This means that when you receive your module back, it is a 100% plug-and-play solution. Simply plug it back in, turn the key, and you are all set. No expensive dealership programming required. We back our work with a fast, industry-leading turnaround time and our comprehensive no-hassle warranty. Our process is very simple. You just need to purchase the repair service on our website, and you'll receive an email with instructions for how to ship your module to our US-based facility. Once we receive it, we will fully rebuild and test your ECM within 1 business day and ship it right back to you. If you're ready to restore your truck's functionality and get back on the road quickly, you can visit us at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call or text at 800-547-2049. We look forward to serving you.